taking a tour of my buddy Bob's sawmill. We'll see if we can catch Rich working. Planing them down for pallet material. Nobody tailing this end. I guess the planer's doing both jobs. Hey, there's Rich right there. Since I'm here. There's the Sawyer in the box. Kind of a young man's game in here. Cutting some grade boards. I gotta go though. I'll go out here and get a closer look at this planer. Oh, there's Mitchell. He's the owner's son. He just had surgery, so he's on real light duty. What's up, Mitchell?
Better get a close up there.
How you doing?
Not bad.
Good.
What, are you going to put me out in public?
Putting you. Yeah, we'll see how that goes.
Right.
Waiting for the old man to come around here now.
This is how you works, Randy and Jim.